Hi guys, I'm Sammy74 and you'll never believe what just happened. Oh my god, it's literally unbelievable. So, I'll just leave that there. So, I saw a YouTube mom showing on YouTube how to make cloud dough. If you don't know what that is, it's a type of slime. Probably my favorite texture and the best texture that you can get for a beginner slime. And all she said you needed was a couple of a bit of conditioner, bit of cornstarch or corn flour. They're the same thing, just different pronunciations. And there you go, you got some cloud dough. And you'll never believe what. I did this and it actually works. Look at this. It's not very stretchy, but it's not even sticky at all. It's so cool, it's not even funny. Look at this. Look. I swear to God, I hope you guys can see this. This is literally so cool. Because I've made only like 2 slimes in the past. This is my second attempt at making a slime, and it's already worked. So I guess my luck is actually coming back. Yay! But oh my god, for real, it's actually so cool. And I was literally telling my brother that I wanted to buy some cloud dough soon, because it was a really cool texture of slime. And I guess I don't need to buy it after all. We can just make it at home. And if you guys pick this up and it doesn't work, also, by the way, if your mom or dad, whoever is taking care of you, if they let you do this, bro, you have gotta try it. And just mix it for like a solid good 5 minutes. And after that, pick it up. And if it doesn't work, well, it obviously won't, because you're just using a spoon or something else to stir it. I use the spoon. But, yeah, it's not even oobleck, so it's not going to dry up after like a single day. And so, you have got to try it if your parents or anyone else who is taking care of you lets you. It's literally so cool. Pick it up and it obviously won't work, so after that, just add some conditioner. So literally to make it, the recipe is some conditioner. Some conditioner, any conditioner. They used a completely different conditioner from me, and it still worked, obviously. Food coloring, if you have any. I didn't use food coloring. This is the color of the conditioner. It's like a light peach color. Honestly, no food coloring is also okay. I use no food coloring, and look where this got me. So if you don't use some food coloring to make it more beautiful, if you don't have any, that's completely okay. No problem with that at all. It's not gonna like not work, cause no, food coloring I'm pretty sure it's only for a color. If you have food coloring, I would suggest using food coloring to make it more beautiful. But if you don't, that's completely okay. So yeah, conditioner, add some corn flour, like pretend you have like this much conditioner, right? Add roughly around like 3 times the size of that amount of corn flour. Because if you don't, all you're gonna have is just a sticky mess. Corn flour makes it into this slime substance, or substitute, I guess. Well, not really substitute, it's literally slime. But basically, corn flour helps it turn into slime and also helps it to stop sticking to everything. Yeah, so I'm getting lost. Anyways, so I'm so sorry. I know I said this like 1,000 times, but I keep on forgetting. Conditioner, corn flour, mix it together or stir it together, whatever. And then pick it up, play with it for a while. Yes, and yes, your hands will get messy. Don't expect that they won't get messy, because mine did. So if mine did, yours will. And if hers did, and mine did, yours will. So don't expect it to not be sticky. But all you need to do is just clean it. Not even that big of a deal. And then just knead it up literally for like a couple of seconds. I'm not even kidding. Roughly around 15 seconds. I'm not even kidding. It took me 15 seconds to get a piece like this big to turn into cloud dough. And then it won't even be, it won't be sticky, it'll be fun, it might not dry up after a while, and it's fun to use. Right. I'm Simon Games 24. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna keep on playing this. Bye.